Hi guys, I'm Pranav Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to ask few questions to Manipal students about their life in Manipal and their experiences they shared to me. And let's check out the video.
Hi, I'm Shriya.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore.
You're from Bangalore?
Yeah.
Okay, which year are you in?
I'm in first year currently.
First year.
Yeah.
Which branch?
CC.
CC.
Yeah.
What's your best experience in Manipal?
Best experience definitely is traveling out with my friends, exploring Manipal as a city, meeting new people that's there.
Okay.
Yeah. So far, those are the good experiences in my first year.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the crazy thing as for you did?
Crazy thing? I haven't done anything crazy thing. I am very laid back in that manner. My friends are also like very laid back in nature, so not much really.
But
crazy.
at least something naughty kind of.
Naughty anta scene ఏమీ లేదు.
Okay. Why did you choose Manipal?
I think Manipal is very close to home. That's one of the main reasons I chose Manipal as a place.
Okay.
Second, it's a variety of cultures. You see like a lot of like people from many places, and it's a melting pot of different kinds of degrees. People of many degrees you find here, so you get to network with them, communicate with them, connect with them.
Okay.
And main reason is definitely placements. In the end, if you look at it, placements of CC and CSC here do very well.
Okay.
And that regard, I thought it was a good place to come. See, Manipal is a great place. If you make use of the opportunities in the right manner, it definitely will be like a great experience, a wholesome time here in Manipal if you come to explore. Yeah.
Yeah. Like one worst experience you had?
Worst experience. I'd say the food is a little bit weird.
No, not like that you don't want to remember.
But I don't remember.
One experience.
There's a lot of PDA happening in and around campus, so that's kind of weird. There was a couple of weird couples in and around, so yeah, that's weird. I want to forget that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah.
What about like you want to share any academically or personally that you want at one specific point you just want to tell to some people?
Consistency is key.
Okay.
Here there's so many like people, and you can have a lot of fun here as well, but definitely keep an eye on academics as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Chris.
Chris. Which year are you in?
I'm in third year.
Third year. Okay. What's your craziest experience in Manipal?
My craziest experience in Manipal. Well, my friend one day got a kettle to my classroom, and we made Maggie in the classroom.
Oh, in classroom you
in
made
classroom, yeah, that was
Can-do generation.
pretty crazy, yeah.
Okay, and your best experience in Manipal, like is it your achievement or anything, the date you went or your trip, anything? The best
My
experience you will
best
remember for life.
experience. It's those trips that you take with your friends to Mangalore, to Kundapura.
Yeah.
I mean, there are many places around here that you can visit.
Yeah.
Beaches, obviously.
Okay.
I mean, those are the memories that you make when you're in college. I mean,
Yeah.
irreplaceable.
How's the Manipal?
How's Manipal as in the weather and
Academically or personally?
academically? I mean, it's a challenge, but if you're able to manage everything properly, your career goals, your academics, and having fun, it's a pretty good place.
Okay. And
Mix of everything.
why Manipal? Like why you choose Manipal?
So like I didn't get a good rank in JEE,
Okay.
so that's why I chose Manipal, because Manipal was the best college that I was getting.
Yeah.
Also, the AI program over here was pretty new,
Okay.
so I thought that I could get a good leverage if I chose Manipal.
As bros. And also, what is the worst experience you had in Manipal?
Worst experience? Mess food.
Mess
By
food.
far. Mess food.
No. It's not about like that, bro. Like this, you want to delete in your Manipal like you don't want to remember.
I don't want to remember. I don't think there's any memory like that, bro.
Like
I'll
that?
cherish every moment that I have spent over here.
Okay. And also like about where are you from?
I'm from Pune.
Pune. Are you okay with the food and the culture? How different it is from your place?
Oh, very different. Very different.
Very
Like the people are a lot more open over here.
Okay.
So that's the first difference that you see. And all these people in SP, bro, they're out here to scam you. You gotta stand your ground.
Yeah.
So yeah, that you gotta be independent basically. That's the main difference that I saw.
Okay. Hi. What's your name?
Shivansh.
Shivansh. Yours.
I'm Krish.
Yours.
Adarsh.
Adarsh. Okay. like why Manipal?
क्योंकि और कोई कॉलेज मिला नहीं, मणिपाल ही था.
Yo,
हाँ और कोई कॉलेज मिला नहीं, मतलब जेई फक हो गया बस. और क्या भाई.
I got some other colleges, but they were pretty mid. Manipal was the best choice for me. It's out of all of them.
okay, you guys are in first year.
Yeah.
Okay, which branch?
ECE.
Yours?
Mechanical.
CSE.
Okay.
And
What are you expecting from Manipal?
A good placement.
Sorry.
Good placement. Which we are not going to get.
Okay. Yo,
expecting nothing. Zero.
भाई डिग्री मिल जाए तो बहुत बड़ी बात है.
okay. Like where are you from?
Originally from UP.
How much? Like the main difference you observed in Manipal?
पूरा डिफरेंस है, कुछ है ही नहीं. नॉर्थ इंडियन खाने जाओ, साउथ इंडियन के अलावा मिलता नहीं है कुछ भी.
लोग सड़क में से गोली नहीं मारते थे.
हाँ ये हाँ, सड़क पे you don't get shot while you're walking.
Okay. How was the food?
It's good. Overall it's good.
मैंने पर्सनली इसको 3 बार पराठा टेस्ट करते हुए देखा है. इसने हर बार इतना अच्छा रिएक्शन दिया है. Like legit, like he is in bliss.
Okay. What do you tell about food?
Food is good. See, I'm South Indian. I'm from Hyderabad, so I don't really
Oh, you're
see.
from Hyderabad?
Yeah, I don't see much of a change. I like everything over there. I like the food. I like the people. Everything is nice.
How's your academics as of now?
मेरा अच्छा है, ठीक है.
Okay. Any
good, it's
backlogs?
None.
Yours?
नहीं भाई, मेकअप भी नहीं लगा.
Makeup नहीं लगा, सब पास हो गया.
Okay. And like one thing worst experience you had in Manipal that you want to forget.
Worst experience. आपसे शुरू करते हैं, आपके तो एक्सपीरियंस ही खत्म नहीं होते.
नहीं भाई, वर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ये था जब भी मेरे को ऐसा वो आया कंफर्मेशन के मेरा MIT में हो रहा है. मेरा M की जगह N आ जाता तो.
No. Like in Manipal after joining into Manipal.
आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग इन मणिपाल ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं, मतलब हाँ तू
बारिश बहुत होती थी, सो मैं छाता लेकर गया नहीं था. बिगनिंग में जब ओरिएंटेशन का टाइम चल रहा था तो मैं और मेरे पापा बिना छाते के भाग रहे हैं इधर उधर, तो हम लोग ने बहुत देर के बाद छाता खरीदा था. दैट इज
हाँ मेरा भी छाते से रिलेटेड एक इंसिडेंट है. मैं FC2 में मेस में खाना खा रहा था, मैंने मेरा बैग रख दिया, ठीक है. अभी बैग मैं वहाँ पे भूल गया. नाउ दैट बैग हैड माई अम्ब्रेला एंड माई वाटर बॉटल बड़ा सा, ठीक है. वो बैग चोरी हो गया.
Okay.
एंड सिंस देन I have not bought a single umbrella, I have not bought a single bottle.
Bro, as a senior, I will give one advice.
चोरी कर लेना. Because that's very common.
No. One thing like even you can keep a chain like a gold chain and you can forget, but you can't keep an umbrella and you can forget in money.
सही बात.
Because
Short film में बनाते
the
हैं.
gold chain will be there only, but not umbrella.
सही बात है. Umbrella is the most unsafest thing to have. तू बता.
Okay. Worst experience.
Recently I was gonna participate over here in SP in a band. I play the piano, so I was gonna be a part of a band. I practiced with them. Everything was good. At the last moment, they're like, "You're not playing. Somebody else is playing." That's the worst experience.
He was furious.
Yeah, I was furious, but I was like, nah, bro.
Okay. Like any best dates you had with?
बेस्ट डेट्स. स्टिल लुकिंग फॉर वन.
अच्छा.
Yes.
नहीं भाई, मैं तो बकचोदी करता हूँ सिर्फ, मैं सब में नहीं हूँ.
No.
Okay. Like one thing, you like anyone for freshers?
क्या बोला तूने?
For freshers, one thing you want to advise for them?
भाई मतलब डोंट बी पुसीज, मतलब भाई मतलब
रूम में बैठे नहीं रहो भाई. निकलो बाहर, मजे करो.
लाइक हम लोग का डेली रूटीन है SP पे आके किसी के साथ भी बकचोदी करते हैं. एंड उसके अलावा आर डेज आर वेरी पैक्ड, मतलब स्पेशली मी, आई डोंट हैव इवन टाइम टू ब्रीथ, मतलब एक के बाद एक. सो आई वुड एडवाइज पीपल टू डू समथिंग लाइक दैट इन 1 semester at least,
Okay.
so that they have something that is very crazy.
Okay. Yo,
Focus more in classes.
I can see pain in your eyes.
Okay, and yeah, same thing as I said. Keep yourself busy. There's a lot of stuff to do here.
Yeah.
There's a lot of opportunities. Just do what you want. Have fun. Okay?
Like for someone you don't want to tell somebody, like even like your crush, a teacher, anyone. You don't need to mention any name, but you want to tell.
भाई मैं तो नाम लेके भी बोल दूं भाई.
Okay, you can tell it.
बोल दे नाम बोल दे.
अंश लूडू है. हम तीनों जानते हैं उसको. बहुत गंदा लूडू है भाई वो.
To the guy who replaced me at the last moment in the band, fuck you, man. Genuinely, fuck you, bro.
He's frustrated in his
I am frustrated as fuck, bro. I swear. Fuck you, man. I'm not gonna take his name because I don't want to badmouth him. But fuck you. You know who you are. If you're watching this, you know who you are.
Hi, bro. What's your name?
Mohi,
Mohi. Which year are you?
third year,
Where are you from?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Yeah,
Okay. Why Manipal?
because Manipal is Manipal.
Bro, like why did you choose Manipal?
I thought it would be a nice experience if I go away from home. Yeah,
Like if you want to go away from home, like so many universities are there. Like, why did you choose?
I like beaches.
You like beaches.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Like what's the crazy thing you did in Manipal? Like crazy experience.
I did many things.
Okay.
I went to swim in the ocean in the middle of the night.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay. One thing you did in beyond the rules in campus.
beyond the rules in campus. So far, I don't think I did anything breaking the rules in campus.
Okay.
Yeah,
Like
outside campus, yeah.
okay. The one worst experience you had that you want to forget and you want to remove it from you.
Falling in love in Manipal.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा
Any bags you have?
Backlogs.
Yeah.
Backlogs, yeah, I had, but currently no.
No.
Yeah.
Like how was the food at Manipal?
Mess, okay, decent, I guess. Bahar ka is pretty good actually. I like Bahar ka.
One thing you observed from your like the difference from Hyderabad to Manipal, the major difference.
Beaches are really nice.
Okay.
I-
No, like the Manipal culture kind of.
Not really. I mean, we can meet more diverse people and we can do whatever we want, and then no one really does anything. It's like a mini hub where you can do anything and experience anything you want.
Okay. For freshers, like anyone coming from Manipal, like one advice you.
फर्स्ट ईयर करो भाई, जितनी बकचोदी करनी है करो. सीरियस हो जाओ एटलीस्ट सेकेंड ईयर से. और या इवन इफ यू डोंट बिकम सीरियस अबाउट अकैड्स, जस्ट बिकम सीरियस विद एनी स्किल यू हैव. डजंट मैटर. फाइंड योर पैशन, स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट एंड मोनेटाइज इट. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली, स्टार्ट मेकिंग मनी एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल. या
Thank you, bro.